Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is December 31, 2023, Sunday, last day of the year 2023. This is, as I said, part 2. You can call it as the second video for the day. Of course, this video will be uploading tomorrow. In this video, the video 1 we have already uploaded by the time we are recording this, which was global markets. This is video 2 you can call for the day. This is about Indian market and the various stocks performance for the year of 2023. But of course, you might be able to see only in the year 2024. The reason being, we plan to upload only tomorrow. So first the levels where it closed, and generally we'll cover what it had happened. Of course, as I said in the first video itself, in today's video, we will not be discussing about what will happen or what we can expect. That we will put in a separate video, probably around Pongal time. We might give as a Pongal gift telling about the stocks that one can look for the year 2024. Of course, we know at this point in time itself, I know what are the stocks that one can look for, but we want to keep it as a separate video, right? First, Nifty, BankNifty, where it closed, Nifty closed at 21,731.40. It touched a high of 21,801. BankNifty closed at 48,292.25. And BankNifty closed, BankNifty formed a high of 48,600 odd. FinNifty closed at 21,487.45. It also formed a high of around 21,550 or 600 levels. That's not so much important. What it closed, how much percentage up it closed. Nifty closed around 20% up, while BankNifty closed 12% up. FinNifty closed 13% up. Of course, I'm not going to explain here what are the components of FinNifty, BankNifty, which we explain in our daily videos, right? So what happened? All these things formed solid green candle, and it is riding along the Bollinger upper band in the yearly chart. That's a very powerful up move. The chart is going up, Bollinger upper band, and the price is sliding nicely along the upper band. Normally, if such thing happens, the appreciation will keep going as long as it is not losing the upper band, right? However, the up move is very limited. You will not get a significant up move. Okay, that's what it is. Very important. One has to note about it. So that is what Nifty performance is concerned. And of course, before we go into other individual sectors performance, three or four, which at least now I have taken out the key. I mean, people can point out you missed this, you missed that. Okay, it's very difficult to cover everything. We are just covering very few stocks and few sectors. Of course, the core sectors, 10 sectors we'll cover. DLF closed 726.40 at 93% up. Massive up move. In fact, I would say DLF has just commenced this up move. Does it mean that next year it is going to go up? Might go up, might not go up, but definitely the fresh up move it has started. That is what I can say. Bajaj Auto, massive move of 87%, closed at 6797. And Polycab, that is one stock which you have been telling since 2022. Those who are watching my videos, we can vouch for it. It closed 113% up at 5484. I would say that call out these three are standout performance of 2023. Of course, there are many more stocks. People will come out, mid cap, these stocks moved up, small cap moved up. So there are many stocks, but we are just calling out these three stocks. IT stocks, in general, it moved anywhere from 16% to 44%, with TCS moving up the least about 16%, with some stocks moving up to 44% also. But most of the IT stocks formed in 2022, it formed the first reversal in the Bollinger upper band. So what happened? It was also moving along the Bollinger upper band. That's the downside when stocks are riding along the upper band. If there is sudden jerk that comes in, or sudden event that happens, or any global events happens, or any negative events that triggers happen, there is a probability that there can be a fall that happens. That is what had happened in 2022 in IT stocks. This year, it compensated by going up. In fact, HCL Tech was a standout performer along with LTAM and LTTS and Emphasis and other stocks. Infy formed a long leg doji, and it is just below the Bollinger upper band, while HCL is significantly above the Bollinger upper band. That's one stock which is showing tremendous amount of strength. That is what it is. It is above the Bollinger upper band. The last quarter, one more thing which you have to understand is most of the big up moves had come in the last quarter. In fact, in the last 2 months, November, it formed a solid green candle. All the indices, particularly FinNifty, Nifty, and BankNifty, and Nifty was a stellar performer. It formed a solid green candle in the month of November, which it followed it up post the election results of the 4 states and general positive momentum happening across the globe, due to which we saw another massive green candle taking up above the Bollinger upper band in the yearly chart. In the monthly chart, everything is above the Bollinger upper band. So which means the up move from here is very limited, at least in the initial days of 2024. There can be up move. I mean, definitely there will be some up move, but yes, one has to trade cautiously when these kind of things happen. But anyway, we'll cover that separately. So massive moves we have seen in the last 2 months. So most of the gains has come in the last 2 months. In fact, one important thing happened. Nifty, FinNifty, and BankNifty went down significantly in October, and in fact, at one point in time, BankNifty went below the 2022 close, and then it bounced from there. So it's a massive move that BankNifty witnessed. Why it witnessed such a massive move? Because HDFC Bank, it went all the way to 1560 levels. From there it bounced. From November and December, it has been forming 2 solid powerful green candles, propelling FinNifty, BankNifty, and Nifty, and which is why you saw such a massive move in all these indices. So overall, this is what it is. With that, let's try to cover whatever we can cover, whatever stocks. It'll be more of like what you call a reading out, but we'll avoid reading out. Instead, we'll try to tell about what happened. HDFC Bank, however, the move is only 5% up in spite of such a move over 2022 close, whereas ICICI Bank is up 11.87%. Kotak Mahindra Bank also moved up only by 4%, but that is one stock which looks really promising from a technical perspective. In the future. Axis Bank had a big move of 18%. SBI also very meager move of 4.5%. All the moves had come in the last 2 months and last 1 month. In fact, SBI moved in the month of December. IndusInd Bank 31%, AU 20% move, and then you have Bajaj Twins moving up by 11 and 10%, 9% respectively. HDFC Life 14%. IT stocks, which I said, HCL had a big move of 41%. Reliance around 11%. Bharti Airtel 28% move, then Techam 25%, HCL, Infy just 2%. See 2%, but what happened? It formed a long lower leg. That means that lower leg will act as a protection when future any downfall that happens. Hence, no one has to be careful. That's what I always says. Fundamental market does not move on the basis of fundamentals. Then on what basis? It moves on the basis of perception. What is perception? Perception is nothing but mood of market. Mood of market is nothing but demand and supply that is accurately captured by technical analysis. So hence, no, technical analysis is supreme, powerful. Fundamental is very easy. I mean, anybody can buy any stock, it will go up, right? So emphasis moved up by 38%, LTTS 42%. I said all those things. Bandhan Bank 3%, it moved. So overall, this is how the overall banking, IT stocks and other things performed, with some stocks like automobile stocks are doing well, like Bajaj Auto and all those things moving up by, as I said, and Hero Motors moving up by around 40%, and M&M around 40%, Maruti around 40%. So overall, all these good moves have come in from all these sectors. So with that, we are going to have a very good year for 2024. Of course, you have to see how the market performs, because the headroom available, as I said, is very limited in 2024. We have to see whether it continues with that. We will know all these things once the market opens on the first day, because the Bollinger upper band will go up and the price will try to go and catch the upper band, and it will keep sliding along the upper band. I'm sure you would have watched and enjoyed our global market videos and this video also, and soon, very shortly, probably in the 2 weeks time, we'll be able to publish about key stocks that one can look for 2024 without any recommendation, because we are not SEBI registered. Thank you very much.